In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn account from Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Teams to disconnect LinkedIn, what to expect during the process, and a few helpful notes so there are no surprises. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The steps are the same in most recent versions. If you're prompted to sign in, complete that as usual, so you land on your Teams home screen. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. If you don't have a profile photo set, this might appear as your initials in a small circle, but it's in the same spot. Clicking it opens a small menu with options related to your account and app settings. From that menu, select Settings. This opens the main settings window where you control preferences, notifications, devices, and most importantly for today, your connected services. Inside Settings, go to the section labeled Accounts or Connected Apps. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Teams version, but you're looking for the place that lists services linked to your Teams account. If you don't immediately see it, check the left-hand categories and look for anything related to accounts, permissions, or connected services. Now, find LinkedIn in that list. It should appear as a connected service, often with a brief description indicating that it can show profile details in chats and channels. If you don't see LinkedIn listed, it likely means it's not currently connected in this Teams profile, or your organization has disabled the integration. Once you've located LinkedIn, click Disconnect or Remove. Again, the label may differ slightly, but both options do the same thing. They sever the link between your Teams account and LinkedIn. When you click it, you may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the change. After this, Teams will stop pulling LinkedIn data into your chats and contacts. This action only disconnects LinkedIn from Teams. It doesn't delete your LinkedIn account or affect your LinkedIn profile in any way. That's all there is to it. If your interface looks a bit different, it's usually due to a recent update or your organization's settings. In those cases, the Accounts or Connected Apps area is still the place to look. And if you ever decide to reconnect LinkedIn later, you can return to the same settings area to link it again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Teams experience quickly and confidently.